Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today's video is about marriage. We are in the 21st century in which people consider marriage to be a burden. Actually, many are not aware of what was marriage in the early days and how did it change over the period of time. This video is gonna give you the facts about types of marriages that you don't know. Marriage is a culturally recognized union between two individuals called spouses. There are many types of marriages like arranged marriage, love marriage, civil marriage, religious marriage, interfaith marriage, and intercaste marriage. But on the basis of number of people getting married, marriage can be classified into monogamy, polygamy, and group marriage. Monogamy. It is a form of marriage in which a man marries a woman. It is most commonly found among the societies in the world till date. It is divided into two types, namely straight monogamy and serial monogamy. Straight monogamy. This type of monogamy doesn't allow the remarriage of individuals after the death of a spouse. Serial monogamy. This type of monogamy allows the remarriage of a widow or a widower with other person for a new life. Polygamy. It is a form of marriage in which a person is married to more than one spouse. It is divided into two types, namely polyandry and polygyny. Polyandry. Polyandry is the marriage of one woman with several men. It is further divided into fraternal polyandry and non-fraternal polyandry. Fraternal polyandry. It is the form of marriage when a woman marries several brothers. It was in practice among Todas in India. This type of marriage is also found in one of the epics of India. Non-fraternal polyandry. In this type of polyandry, the men who are marrying a girl need not be relatives or brothers. Polygyny. Polygyny is the marriage of one man with several women. It is further divided into sororal polygyny and non-sororal polygyny. Sororal polygyny. It is the form of marriage when a man marries several sisters. Non-sororal polygyny. In this type of polygyny, the women who are marrying a man need not be relatives or sisters. Group marriage. It is a form of marriage in which two or more women are married to two or more men. Here, the husbands, wives, and the children are common for all. I am having two questions for you. Number 1. Which is the best form of marriage and the worst form of marriage according to you? Number 2. Do you think marriage is necessary? Let me know your answers in the comment section. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.